Hi everyone, I'm here to show you this Zomei Z666 Professional Tripod. I picked this up on Amazon for $39.99. It's got 4.5 stars and over 130 customer reviews. Let's go ahead and check this out. Alright, as you can see, it comes in a nice carrying pouch with a shoulder strap for easy carrying. It's nice and compact. This is a lot shorter than my other tripod, which is at least this much longer. And let's see, it's got an instruction manual. Wow, this is professional grade. Here it is. This can support up to 11 pounds, and it goes up to, I believe it was 57 inches tall. And you can see there are multiple sections here for extension, and you can lock it in place. It's got these feet here, these rubberized heavy-duty feet, to make sure you have a stable setup regardless of your terrain. Okay, it's also got this hook on the bottom if you're doing any shots that require some weight down here so that the tripod doesn't tilt over. That is the perfect feature right here. So it's got this hook for you to add like a sandbag or something. It's got this handle to help you with panning, left and right, up and down, any direction you want, but to help with steady panning, especially good for video shots. Okay? Look at that. Crank up, crank down. Very nice. And of course you have the lock to lock it in place. And you also have this little bubble here to make sure you center things. Okay? Very nice. Of course you have another lock here. There's locks everywhere. It's a tripod after all. And there's a quick release plate. And you can take it right out. You can put it right back and let go, and it's locked already, okay? You can even tilt this. You see that? You can even tilt it like this if you want, with your camera still attached here, if you want to take shots directly down or something like that. That is really neat. I mean, my other tripods don't have that, so that is an added benefit. You can bring it back down and lock it as well. It's nice and rubbery right here to protect your expensive gear. I like that this pan handle is super big. Like it feels really nice in my hand. And I like how these handles right here, it's like foam. So it's like really like comfortable to grip. All right. Well, this is the Zomei Z666 tripod, professional tripod. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Check it out on Amazon.